Today, we're diving into an essential topic for anyone in the hydraulics industry: how to select hydraulic valves the right way. Choosing the right hydraulic valve is crucial for the efficiency and longevity of your hydraulic systems. At HFD Hydraulic, we understand the complexities involved, and we're here to guide you through the process. The first step in selecting hydraulic valves is to carefully evaluate your hydraulic system's unique requirements, which are critical for the performance and longevity of your components. Understanding those requirements goes beyond a simple checklist. It involves a strategic approach to ensure the valves integrate seamlessly, promising longevity, efficiency, and operational excellence. Identify the valve type. Determine size and flow capacity. Choose valve configuration. Consider the pressure ratings. Verify fluid compatibility. Evaluate the response time. Check the mounting and installation. Take into account the environment. Review manufacturer's reputation. Compare costs. Consult with experts. Selecting the right hydraulic valves depends on your application's specific needs. Verify the valve requirements for your system to ensure optimal performance. If you're unsure, HFD Hydraulics experts can help determine the valves you need. Send your inquiry today for professional advice and guidance. Thank you for joining us today. Visit our website at www.hfdhydraulic.com for more information and to browse our selection of hydraulic valves. Remember, choosing the right valve is key to a reliable and efficient hydraulic system.